two brothers going to school in the evening, coming home, and one unto the other said, "Oh, can you throw a stone? Oh, can you throw a stone?" "Well, I can't throw a stone," he said, "or neither kick a ball. But come ye o'er to yonder greenwood, and we'll try a wrestle and fall. We'll try a wrestle and fall."
I was born in Armagh, grew up in Dungannon. There was always music in the house. I guess my mum and dad both were into music, and my mum sang, my dad played pipes. We started going to the Armagh Pipers Club, and I really got hooked from there. The pipes are something that you really have to dedicate your time to, and I guess that was my first sort of thing that I latched onto. But yeah, from there I got into everything else, really got into string instruments to sort of do what the pipes can't, and I always loved song, so did that. So did a bit of classical flute as well in school, and kind of as I got older and experienced more music, I kind of drifted out, listened to other things as well. There'll always be a big element of folk music that's raw. I think as we move on, what we see is folk music, rather than being a large collective term in itself, has lots and lots of little silos and pigeonholes in it. And certain styles will be more contemporary, and certain styles will be more traditional, and certain will be more polished, and some will be more raw. This is the first time we've done a gig together in about 20 months, so raw will be the word. You can judge for that one yourself.
We got there.
Yes. Thank you very much.